What's up, y'all? So I do not know what I'm about to put on, but we finna go to Unfinished Legacy. Shout out to y'all. They are in Chicago. If you don't know who they are, y'all gotta do your research, but y'all gonna see. I'm gonna, you know, showcase the pop-up. But I don't know what I want to wear, and I'm running behind. And I have no clue. I'm preparing in my head right now while I'm getting ready with my face. The hair's already done, but I don't want to do too much. Like, I don't want to feel done up, but I want to be done up down. I want to be done down. I want to be done down, okay? And I have absolutely no clue what I want to wear. So I feel like I want to do like sporty cute, sporty chill, or just like chill sexy, chill cool, fun, chill cute. In that category, I have absolutely no clue. So we're gonna figure it out, but I have no clue what I'm about to put on. So yeah, Shadon is on her way. I need to hurry up. So makeup is done. Just a quick little So okay, I have this shirt. This is the only thing I'm really basically working with right now. This shirt. Okay, I'm about to see if I can really style this, and I know I can't. But this is the only thing that I'm working with. So let's go. Or my sister gave me these sweatpants, and so it's either see if I can figure out something. We gonna see if I'm about to make an outfit out of this or make an outfit out of this. Okay, let's see. We see Shadon has arrived. I'm not ready yet.
Oh, I'm sorry. My bad.
But almost. What shoes? Like the heels. Okay. This is what I have so far. Clearly I chose the I don't even know if I'm in frame so high. Clearly I chose the Tupac shirt with the subtleness. That. Or
under two. Put it over it. That's what.
I mean, that's kind of fly.
I do this in my sleep.
I'm gonna just throw this bag in the bag, but we gotta go. So this is the look. This is the look. And I hope I'm in frame, but this is the look.
Of course I'm finally with her.
That's good.
We are walking into the pop-up shop right now.
Man, these people got that shit on. Me, myself.
Stop saying that. She's fly. She don't gotta do too much. Don't tweak on her. Okay?
Meanwhile, she got that shit on. That's crazy.
All right, we finna pull in or pull up. Let's get it cracking.
Are you falling?
It's okay.
Calling.
Yo, these are sick.
Sometimes chill on my own. Just wanna do me, just wanna doze. Just wanna live and see how it goes.
Oh, I like these. I like these, baby.
But I know what. Like, just listen, Unfinished Legacy. I don't know if it's a butterfly or a moth, because you know, moths be having they moments of transformation too. Into me. Honey, you appreciate the color. This is what I mean when I say I want something chill, sexy, but you feel me, like laid back. Shopping spree coming soon, honey.
still long. Scissor Rock did all the performance.
How is this not in my car? Oh. My cousin has arrived. My cousin has arrived. Honey. Period. Of course we ain't here getting our. She got the money in her hand. Because this is our girl right here. Wow, that's really fresh. Look at all of that. When I say this too good to be true, fresh squeeze. Wow, this is great. You don't got, lady, stop. This is uncomfortable.
Wait, is that
Stop it!
is that the near the fresh?